Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here. Welcome back to MK's Medicine and Health Info. We make videos on health, medicine, and how to live your healthiest life. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Your engagement helps the channel grow and reach more people with this important information. Alright guys, let's kick off these protein-packed breakfasts with a bang. What better way to start the day than with a Greek yogurt power bowl? This isn't your average yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse with 20 grams of protein per serving. Add fresh, juicy berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries for antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Top it off with granola for crunch and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. You can also add chopped nuts or seeds for extra healthy fats and protein. This Greek yogurt power bowl is quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Up next, we have a classic breakfast staple, scrambled eggs with spinach. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making it a perfect start to your day. This dish is simple, flavorful, and packed with protein. It's a great way to fuel your body and keep you energized throughout the morning. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are versatile and can be cooked in many different ways. We're adding spinach to boost the nutritional value even further. Spinach is a superfood that complements eggs perfectly. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health. Heat up a pan with a little olive oil or butter, depending on your preference. Both options add a nice flavor to the dish. Pour in your whisked eggs, making sure they are well beaten for a fluffy texture, and stir in fresh spinach leaves. The combination of eggs and spinach is not only tasty, but also visually appealing. The heat will wilt the spinach, creating a beautiful swirl of green throughout your scrambled eggs. This adds both color and nutrition to your meal. Season with salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Feel free to add other herbs and spices to suit your taste. Serve it up with whole wheat toast or avocado for a complete and satisfying breakfast. This combination will keep you full and satisfied for hours. Short on time but still craving a protein-packed breakfast? Look no further than the Protein Smoothie, the ultimate on-the-go breakfast for busy mornings. It's quick, easy, and incredibly nutritious. The beauty of a protein smoothie is its versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and dietary needs. Customize it with endless combinations of fruits, vegetables, and protein sources. The possibilities are truly endless. Start by choosing your favorite fruits for natural sweetness, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Bananas, berries, and mangoes are great options. Next, choose a protein source like whey protein powder, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or tofu. These will help keep you full and provide essential nutrients. Add avocado, nut butter, or chia seeds for creaminess and healthy fats. These ingredients add a rich texture and boost the nutritional value. Finally, blend everything together with water, milk, almond milk, or coconut water. Each liquid base offers a unique flavor and additional nutrients. Enjoy a delicious and nutritious smoothie that keeps you full and satisfied. It's the perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Get ready for a flavor combination that will rock your world. Cottage cheese with pineapple, a sweet and savory protein powerhouse. This delightful dish is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making it a perfect choice for breakfast or a midday snack. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps you feeling full for hours. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to maintain their energy levels throughout the day. It's incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed plain or with toppings like fruit, nuts, seeds, or honey. You can get creative and mix in your favorite ingredients to suit your taste. Pineapple adds a tangy sweetness that perfectly complements the creamy texture of cottage cheese. The combination of flavors creates a refreshing and satisfying experience. Simply dice up fresh pineapple or use canned pineapple chunks packed in water or their own juice. Both options work wonderfully and add a burst of tropical flavor. Spoon a generous serving of cottage cheese into a bowl and top it with pineapple chunks for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. This simple yet delightful combination is sure to become a favorite in your meal rotation. Let's move on to our final protein-packed breakfast recipe, the quinoa breakfast bowl, a hearty and delicious way to fuel your morning. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Cook quinoa according to package directions and prepare your favorite toppings. Top with fresh or frozen fruits, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or nut butter. Create a colorful and flavorful masterpiece that provides long-lasting energy throughout the morning. So there you have it, guys. 5 protein-packed breakfast ideas to start your day off right. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count with a protein-rich meal. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment for more useful videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.